will you respond to criticisms on the 72.5 billion budget for COVID-19 vaccines in the 2021 spending plan? Senator Drilon is saying that only 2.5 billion lang po dito ang funded and yung remaining funds daw po ay wala pang definite revenue source. Sinabi naman po ng camp ni Vice President Robredo na wala pong sense of urgency ang admin in terms of budget for COVID-19 vaccine. Ano po ang masasabi niyo dito?
Senator Drilon, Vice President, malayo pa po ang eleksyon, tigil ang politika. Paulit-ulit na po sinabi natin yan, no? Na tayo po ay makakautang na sa multilateral sources, sa bilateral sources, para po sa 72.5 billion na kakailanganin. Kaya po linalagay sa budget yan, miski utangin, kung hindi nasa budget, hindi po pwede gastusin. And I'm sure Senator Drilon knows about this already, having been a veteran lawmaker. The same thing goes for the Vice President. They should know how the budget works. Kailangan na sa budget, otherwise hindi magagastos, maski ang panggagalingan ay uutangin.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.